Today's video, I'm going to share my October favorites with you. What I did and what I did, what I liked and what I didn't like. So let's start the first category, which is food. In October, I went to two places and coincidentally both were social. So I went to social Cyberhub and social CP. And what I ordered there was cheese nachos, paneer makhni biryani, strawberry shake, mixed with sauce pasta, spaghetti, chocolate mud bath, and blueberry pancakes. Guys, food of both places is very nice. Especially the biryani. If you're the biryani fan, just go and have their biryani. It's very awesome. The only difference I found was in shake. I found the CP's shake was much better than the Cyber Hub one. Now the moving to the innovation and creativity of social, they are so innovative when they come to the serving. Guys, they literally take their service creativity very seriously. So there was a drink which called achari drink, and they serve in the achari bun. They serve pasta in a small sanduki which you have to open and eat it from there, and so on. So it's very creative. So if you are the kind of person like me who love to do experiment with food places, just go and visit this place. Now moving to the ambience. So every social has different theme. CP's theme was school wizard. So when you enter on the floor of social CP, you will feel like a school but in a cooler way. So you will see school teacher desk, you will see a lot of stationery, a lot of school stuff, but in a very cooler way. So if you are kind of person who is missing school, you can go there and enjoy. Whereas in Cyber Hub Social was on the theme of railway platform. So when you enter, you will see a small compartment type rooms where people are working, then a hall, and everything is related to platform. Even the way they painted the wall outside the social is totally like railway, and you are going to enjoy it. Also, guys, social has co-working space. If you are looking for the co-working space around Delhi NCR, go and check it out. The price is very nominal and the place is very awesome. Okay, so now moving to the second category, which is movies. In October, I watched one movie, and that was Inferno. I was waiting for that movie from like so many months. Why? Because I'm a big fan of Dan Brown's writing, and Inferno is one of his best books. So I went to the same day on Friday when it get released. But guys, I was like little bit disappointed because I found book was much thrilling as compared to the movie. But Irfan Khan did a very marvelous job. I would say if you haven't read the book, just go and watch the movie. It's very good. I think my expectation was very high because I already read the book, so that's why. But overall, the movie was good. Now moving to third category, tech events. So I went to two tech events in October and both as speaker. So the first was GDG New Delhi, which is Google Developer Group New Delhi. So initially I applied there as a speaker for progressive web app, polymer and material design, but I didn't got the call at first. Basically, the organizer was looking for Angular speaker. They reached out me to check if Jaswant can speak. So yes, Jaswant, this is how get pulled in. They also wanted me to speak on some topic, but the kind of topic they were giving was not my expert area. And after some days, I get to know that one of the speaker on progressive web app actually walked out. So then I got selected. uh, the way GDG got organized is very awesome. I'm pretty impressed by the organizer. uh, Turnaround was very good, very nice, and very well. In my own progressive web app session, there were like more than 100 people. The only issue I found was because there one room can only accommodate 60 people, and in my session more than like 100 people wanted to attend. So they distributed the attendance into two rooms, and I have to jump from one room to another, which is like a little bit uncomfortable for me. Although they were trying to project me on others room projector, and they were doing the audio casting also, but that was the non-interactive projection. So I felt that, and due to that I have to stand at one place, and that was again uncomfortable for me because I can't stand at one place when I'm giving session. I like to walk and I like to talk to people. Anyhow, but overall session went very well. One thing I observed there was the shift of audience. Because of JSLover, I always interacted with the working professionals, but in GDG, more of the people were working students. So what happened when you give session to working professionals? They throw a lot of questions to you. The session becomes very interactive. You also learn a lot of things because they actually start thinking when you are giving a session on technology, that where this technology can implement, what are the pros, what are the cons, what could be the use case, and all that stuff. But in case of students, they are still learning and they are not so mature to ask these type of questions, and I felt that they are pretty much shy also. So guys, I would like to give you an advice. If you are going to such session, which is very very good, but also ask questions, because this is the time where you can ask question and get the answer and clear your doubt. It's very important, guys. Anyhow, so GDG overall was very awesome. The next session where I went as a speaker was Tech Charcha on Progressive Web App. I got invited through one of my friend, and he told me there would be discussion over the Progressive Web App, and I was very very excited because this is the one topic where I am learning and exploring. But when I went there, it was something else. It became a discussion of finance, and that to core finance. So there was nothing like progressive web app. Everything was finance, and finance is not my expert area. So it turned out, that event turned out to be totally opposite of what I thought. uh, Anyhow, it was a learning for me because I didn't actually reviewed. I actually didn't ask that what is going to happen there. It was my fault, so it's okay. Okay, so next thing is JSLovers. This video can't be completed if I will not talk about JSLovers, guys. In October, in JSLovers, we did our first workshop in October. First workshop in Noida, and thanks to Nishita and Ixio for hosting us. And a big thanks to Ishita. Actually, she came all the way from Noida to South Delhi to attend our workshop, to meet me, discuss me, and to figure out how we can uh, host our workshop in Ixio, India. So it was pretty good. The overall session went very well. We enjoyed being in Ixio, and so do they. We got very good feedback from the people. Thank you very much. The second thing which we did in October for JS Lover was Ask JS Lovers on Twitter. Guys, we know you, whenever you guys come on our workshop, you have a lot of questions, and due to the time constraint, and sometimes it happen you are asking off the topic questions, and we always politely say you guys, let's take it offline or just mail us, and then we get busy and missed your mails, and we feel very bad for that. So that's why we thought to do a monthly Ask JS Lovers thing, where you can tweet your question and we are going to answer you back. We did this for 1 week, and I'm pretty happy few of you actually asked us question. Guys, I'm going to attach the video of those answer which of those questions which you asked and we answered, and for sure we are going to repeat that again. So these were the two things which we did in for JSLovers in October. Now moving to the last one, and that is what I learned in tech. So guys, I started learning Python, and I don't know if you are not if you are following me on Twitter, so you must have seen that I tweeted about Python. I tweeted about Python versus JS also. Guys, I'm enjoying learning Python a lot. I don't know why, guys, why people say that JavaScript is a lenient language. Guys, you haven't explored Python. It's much more lenient than JavaScript, and you are going to enjoy while learning and working on Python. So yes, I'm still learning Python, and let's see, my target is like till December I have to finish the Python thing. Why I'm learning? Because I keep pushing myself to learn new things, and this time I picked Python. So this is, guys, all about my October highlights. If you have anything to add, or if you want to share what you did last month, just let me know in comment section. I'm waiting. If you like this video, give thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe below, and I will see you in next vlog. Bye guys.